Oh, okay. So the sign on the gate here says that we've got Lily and Dave. Now Lily's looking very nervous. Dave, I don't know where Dave is. Maybe this is Dave, I'm not sure. It says they're mother and son. That Lily is 3 and Dave is 2. And Dave's at the vet. So this must be Lily. Right, okay. I've got my Sunday praying on. She's hissing and she's been looking very nervous, so I'm not going to go any closer. But just so you can see what she looks like. I know! Sorry. She's got a nice little voice. Oh, she's coming out. Yes? Hello, lovely. It's okay. Oh, look, see? Now that you've decided, it's okay, isn't it? Dinky little thing. You're tiny. Tiny, tiny. Oh, lovely girl. Doing the meerkat thing. So, for 5 minutes, she just looked very, very wary. And then when I came in for about 10 seconds, she hissed at me. And then all of a sudden, she just decided, yeah, you're all right. And look at this. Snuggles. And leg rubs and nuzzles and walking up and down and standing up like a meerkat. Oh, she's so sweet. So I don't know if they go together. It says a pair on the sign, so possibly they're being homed as a pair. Not yes, mutter. Likes the camera. And I don't know why Dave's at the vet. Probably something minor. But all our cats are vet checked, and they don't go home till they're signed off as, healthy and well and ready for home. So she's purring. Can you hear that purr? It's quite big. Big purrs. So we'll see what happens with. Oh, nice muzzle. Kind of tawny muzzle there. We'll see what happens when Dave comes back. So if you want to know more about these two, it's Lily and oh bless, she just grabbed my hand. Lily and Dave, and their story will be on their listing on the website, on the Pussycat Lodge website, in the rehoming section. Oh look! I think I better turn this off so we can have a proper